Hello, Namaste, good evening. I'm Ashok this side. Uh, you're most welcome on my YouTube channel, You Polymath. This time I'm going to share with you my experience about Reiki healing on a patient, cancer patient from Mozambique, who was staying with me for almost more than 6 months, near about 1 year, for the treatment of cancer. So he was suffering from the throat cancer. He was finding it difficult to speak even. He was a motorcycle racer in Mozambique. He used to participate in motorbike racing, and he suffered from laryngotracheal swash system in the. So he came here for treatment and was staying with me. After 2 3 months staying with me, one day, one evening, एक शाम को बहुत तेजी से दर्द उठा उसको, बहुत तेजी से. His wife came coming to me. At that time they were not having any kids. उनके बच्चा कोई नहीं था उस समय. They were only husband and wife, young age. So wife came that he is feeling acute pain. So I went there in the guest house and gave him some Reiki, thinking very honestly and very sincerely. I tried my hand as a Reiki healer, and it was for some time. I was doing it for 10 15 minutes. 10 15 मिनट मैंने किया होगा. उसके बाद I left. Again when I went the next morning, his wife told, उसकी wife ने बोला कि after that he slept comfortably. And अभी भी वो बहुत अच्छी हालत में है, ठीक है. आते रहते हैं उसके, he is my Facebook friend, so I keep knowing about his activities. Now he has got some 3 4 children. It is three children, I think. So that was my first experience giving Reiki healing to somebody, and that made me confident, and I came to believe. मुझे विश्वास हो गया कि रेकी हीलिंग से फ़ायदा होता है. तो यही है कि आप कितना सिंसियरली, एक्टिवली, और आप में कितना अपने उसमें वजूद में, अपने पर्सनैलिटी या अपने बीइंग में कितनी क्योंकि मैं शुरू से ही योगा वगैरह तो करता ही रहा हूँ, मेडिटेशन भी करता हूँ, रूटीन भी आजकल बहुत ही डिसिप्लिन है, और उस समय भी था, शुरू से ही था. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि 5 वर्ष का था जब मैं छोटा बच्चा तवज्जुल खां पार्क में से योगा किया करता था. वहाँ पे कोई ऐसा पाम ट्री नहीं होगा जिसके नीचे सिर सहारा लेकर के मैंने शीर्षासन ना किया हो. हम दोनों भाइयों ने 4 बजे पिताजी ले जाते थे, तो उसका असर आज भी है. अभी 79 की एज में I feel comfortable, I feel fit, knowing nothing about headache or body ache, and I'm quite active. So that gives me the confidence that as a Reiki healer, I can do well, and I will do well. Every morning, I at 8 a.m. I'll send my Reiki healing thoughts to all of you, my subscribers or anybody, wishing all the well around the world, whosoever. So that is my. I want to share it. Maybe you won't take it otherwise. I'm not bragging or doing something. That is the honest story I'm telling, the first-hand story, what I experienced on a cancer patient from Mozambique. Anyway, thank you very much. Tune with me, if possible. 8 बजे सवेरे ट्यून करिएगा, सोचिएगा, एंड अपने माइंड को रिसीविंग मोड में लाइएगा. I'll be sending the healing, Reiki healing, thoughts to you. Thank you very much. So nice of you. So nice of you.